Here's a surprising story about Florence Nightingale you've probably never heard. While she's widely celebrated for modernizing nursing during the Crimean War, few know about her profound impact on public health in India. In the mid-19th century, Nightingale dedicated herself to improving sanitation and healthcare for Indian soldiers and civilians. Her detailed reports and recommendations on sanitation reforms significantly reduced the mortality rate and set the foundations for improved medical practices. This critical mission not only enhanced her reputation as a health pioneer, but also influenced global public health standards. Follow for more inspiring stories of famous figures.